If your teacher is using Microsoft Class Teams for productivity and workflow, in other words, class discussions, collaborations, and to post assignments for you to complete, it is likely that your teacher will also post class Teams meetings inside of a channel in your class team. To join these Teams meetings, simply navigate to the channel. In this case, the teacher has posted a meeting inside the general channel of the class team. Simply click on the general channel, and in the post tab, you will see the scheduled class meeting. Simply click on that meeting link. To view the details, including the time of the class meeting and when it's time to join, simply click the Join button here in the top right corner. When you click Join, remember to allow your microphone and your camera. And when ready, click Join Now. Now, there is a possibility that your teacher has set meeting options so that you must stay in the lobby until the teacher admits you. If that's the case, you will not be able to enter the meeting before the teacher. Another way to view any Teams meetings you have that have been scheduled by your teacher in specific Microsoft Class Teams is by clicking on the Calendar tab in the far left navigation bar of Microsoft Teams. Here you will view your calendar 1 week at a time, and you will be able to see, for example, that sample class meeting that the teacher scheduled for Monday morning starting at 8:30 a.m. To join this meeting from the calendar, simply click on this particular class meeting and you can click the Join button. Again, to be redirected to the lobby for this sample class meeting.